Hello guys! So ngayon, we're going to Ayumi Antipolo dahil we're preparing na pamper kami ngayon ng pet ng aking Angel A. She's turning 20 on Monday, June 2. Yay! So pamper kami dahil lagas na ang aking mga lashes.
Oh my God! What is that?
A few moments later.
So here it is. Ito ang aming transformation. Actually, I like this. This is 5B Anch Curl Lash. And same thing with her. Tumingin ka naman. Uy! Sa kanya is